okay, I will be really mad. And I hope it is. And I beg for it to be okay. We're playing the Metallica Fuel Fire Fury. I don't know if you guys played it last night, but I didn't. He did. I would have made a video last night if I did. Right, I know the camera should be okay now. Did you know our old videos on TikTok used to be really laggy? I only realised it when I got YouTube and started posting some of them on YouTube. And then I looked at them on TikTok and they were the exact same amount of lag. And now that I'm making them off YouTube, they're not laggy at all. Nothing wrong with them.
Oh no, you're spectating. You gotta go back to lobby.
Oh! Why am I spectating, bro?
You gotta go back to lobby.
You have to too. I'm hoping this is not the world's longest video in the whole entire universe. But honestly, now that we have 31-minute videos, which is basically 3 of our old TikTok videos. I didn't load! I didn't. I loaded in a second ago when I said I didn't load. Match error 1. Party failed to connect. Timeout 201. Really? Are you gonna play us like this Fortnite? Are you really gonna do this? Well, I just got timeout thing on the side of my screen. Matching error. Code 1. Party failed to connect. Can you ready?
I am ready.
It said waiting for you to ready. Intelligent travel to server? Maybe? Thank you.
Are you loading in?
Yes.
Go.
Want to check this real quick? Yeah, perfect view. Okay, they should have perfect view.
I'm gonna show the this. Because the music's really good. I know.
Yeah, you know what? Fine. I'll turn my volume up to like 23. Oh, maybe I should turn it down because I used to sleep with my TV on 23. 23 is not bad at all. I used to have it on 35 when I was playing the game. I'm not doing that now. It's literally deafening.
You have 30 seconds to load in.
1, 2, 3, 4, and I've loaded in. Yay, and or. Stop right now. Alright, let me check one last time. Please, please, please. I'm just begging no one that this goddamn tablet doesn't do anything. Right, please just keep recording, tablet. It's the best thing you could do right now. Right, whoa. This looks quite epic.
Don't worry, it's not all spot.
Okay, that's not Fortnite. Okay, no, I hate that. No, that is not Fortnite. Whoa, why the hell is it rocket racing? Okay, these are just random people. They're not even real people who we're racing against. Whoa, it's rocket racing. It's not Fortnite. Oh, yeah, probably. I got my Nick A30 car! Nick, never back down, never what? Never give up. There's nitro everywhere. Wait, no. What? I'm stuck!
Oh, don't worry. I'll be fine in a second.
Full speed or nothing. Oh! So when you run out of speed, you can't do anything. That's annoying. Ah, come on, I'm gonna go faster. No. Stop minusing my speed! This is why I don't play rocket racing.
I definitely will.
God, bro. Move out of the way! I'm going on the main stage, guys! Move it! Yo! This is cool! I'm gonna go watch this from a normal viewing angle. Me being happy that this is being recorded now. This music is good. Although it sounds like they're saying, yeah, yeah, yeah!
Bro.
I know that this...
10 o'clock shower.
Come on. There's one more. There's one more. There's another one there. Whee! Oh my god! See guys, this is why, if you don't play Fortnite, this is why you should love it. Because they add stuff like this. And if you don't like stuff like this, then just don't get the game, please. Ah, I got hit! Ooh. These bells! Ah, oh my god, the cogs. Ugh. The way they actually move though, that's really cool. Whoa! I just flew into the middle of nowhere now. Calm the hell down, man. Oh, not cogs. No, I hate cogs. I hate the cogs and the bells. I hate the cogs a lot more, though. Oh, no, not the cogs. This is literally, like, only up. Wait, I'm not meant to be up here. Ah! What? What? That guy distracted me. This is insane. This is actually getting intense. What are you? What is that? Came right out of Stranger Things, that came right out of Stranger Things.
It's just the puppet master, don't worry.
I got the emo. I got the Puppet Master emo. The one that these guys made before this. Oh, grind the lightning! This is sick, bro.
It gets annoying.
How does it get annoying?
Because it's no short burst. And it's bad. Because it's like 2 seconds long.
These ones don't seem to be like 2 seconds long now. I don't like how it goes dark when you're not on the lightning. It's like making me think I'm gonna die. Whoa, now it is like 2 seconds. What the hell? It's getting harder. We're on like guitar notes. I understand this. Oh my, it's giving me XP for this. This would be a really cool map. I'm just gonna check something really quick. Alright, who actually, which one of them is the Puppet Master?
Wow.
Oh my god! It's the Master of Puppets! That's disturbing. You didn't tell me about this, bro. Ah!
Okay, your hands to sleep. You don't want to see your eye out.
Hey, shoot the head, shoot the head, shoot the head, shoot the head. Oh, I've got a bit of head. I hate you, Puppet Master. What happens when you die?
Nothing useful.
Oh, ow! I jumped into nowhere! Yeah! We're gonna kill the Puppet Master! The Puppet Master looks demented. Yeah! Ooh. Buddy, you cannot be doing that! Holy.
Shouldn't be doing this.
I have the Master of Puppets emote. Wait. Okay, yeah, it's recording. That's fine. Han!
Kill this house.
Oh! No. Guys, if you don't like stuff like this, maybe look away. Because that actually jump scared me. Is it?
I want to play that game. To play it something nice. Watch it.
Okay, guys, we're gonna play the game one more time.
This bit's kind of boring, but
I want to see what it is. I thought the game already ended. Oh, you meant to go on that?
yeah.
Wait. I need to find the Master of Puppets emote. Because now that I know who the Master of Puppets is, I wish I didn't have that emote. Master of Puppets, that pull in your face! This isn't... Is there anything after this? Is there another part after this?
Not really.
Okay. How long does this go on? Oh. The shrunk. That makes a lot of sense. That sword has lightning in it. Right, I'm gonna play that one more time, guys. One more time.
Yeah. Also, you know the car, you get in it now.
I literally just left the game. Yeah, it's not good. Okay, guys, I don't know. If you didn't enjoy that, I don't care if you guys didn't enjoy that. That's my video. Well, actually, that's our video. And we both wanted to make video on that. I don't know if he wanted to make video on that, but he wanted to play that with me. And I just...
let you play that.
Kind of. It was quite fun. Anyway, let's play one more time.
Yeah, because it's epic. I want to kill the Puppet Master again.
Yeah, I want to kill the Puppet Master. I want to kill the Puppet Master in Skull Trooper, though. Skull Trooper, inverted. Also, I got to equip an emote real quick.
Master of Puppets.
Damn it! At the end of the video, I'll do the emote Master of Puppet. The only reason...
Master of Puppets emote while fighting the Master of Puppets.
No.
Wait, why does the Master of Puppets have 6 arms?
6 puppets.
Wait, he has 8 arms.
Oh, yeah.
2 sets of arms for each Metallica.
No, yeah, I am kind of happy that I played that.
You must don't make any noise in this.
Oh. It just makes sense, though. The front bit, the start bit of this makes me want to vomit. Alright, I'm ending this video now.